Be really looking forward to show you how I made these. This is a great money saver, a nice little hack if you've got Olympic plates and looking to lift weights during the lockdown. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, I really do appreciate it, and also click that notification bell and you'll get notified of all my future and upcoming videos. Like everyone else, I was struggling to source and find sort of normal gym equipment, 2-inch sort of Olympic bars or dumbbell bars that I could use to fit me weights, because they're basically all sold out because of lockdown and everybody panic buying. So I just thought to myself, why not scaffold poles? They're solid, they're durable, they're cheap to buy and they're easy to find. So I just went on eBay and sourced this 6-foot scaffold pole from a local scaffolder really, who sold it to me for around about £5. I then basically just went on eBay and typed in 2-inch collars or 2-inch steel collars, and these come up. Basically all they are is 2-inch circular collars. I think they're for connecting scaffold poles or various other poles together, and they come with an Allen key attachment as well that you can easily tighten and loosen up, which made them very easy and durable. And they were about £4, £5 each, and I thought, great, why not just buy them and see what they look like. Here I'm just measuring the distance for the size of my hand to fit really. Obviously you've got to keep it all equal size between the two collars, because obviously if they're slightly different lengths, then when you add the weights it's going to go lopsided as and when you push with them. So I decided to cut them all off, double check that they all fitted fine, and they worked really great. After marking the distances where the collars need to go to fit on the pole, I then thought to myself, well, why not try and weigh it and see what it actually weighed? So I got myself some cheap kitchen scales. They're shown in grams, and come on Adam, sort it out. They weren't the flattest of scales obviously, so I can't guarantee the weight on this, but I thought to myself, why not weigh it and see what it comes to. And I'm pleased to say they're just under 3.5 kilos with collars on. So by the time you've painted and primed them, I sort of averaged them out at 3.5 kilos per dumbbell bar. Now I had no sandpaper or wire wool, and I couldn't really scruff these up to accept the paint, so I just thought to myself, why not just wash it with a bucket and sponge, get them a little bit clean, before I decided to get some automotive paint and primer, which again was only a couple of quid a tin because it was all nice and cheap. And once it dried, I just sprayed them with some grey primer, as you can see here. This didn't take too long, and as you can see with primer it actually dried within about half an hour, 40 minutes. So I believe I actually gave them sort of 2 coats on either pole whilst I was waiting for them to dry, and then decided to wrap them with masking tape just to mark out the handles between the 2 collars, just show a little bit of definition, because I knew I was going to paint them a different colour once I've primed them, just because to make them a bit unique and a bit different. Now they've just been masked off, I thought I'd just buy myself, I think it was about £2 paint of, I think it's just natural car red paint basically. Just went over the primer, nothing special to overcoat it, just to give it a little bit of colour. And this again only took about 15-20 minutes to dry. It didn't come out too bad, to be fair. After that top coat of red dried, I then basically just peeled off all the masking tape just to reveal just a rough outline of where my hand's basically going to go as I'm doing my pressing. And then there is a slight line of collars there, obviously when you tighten them up so they're all equal to each other. I hope you guys found this useful as much as I enjoyed sort of making these, as in total it only cost me around about 20 quid to make 2 dumbbell bars for Olympic weights, which I thought was great. And as you can see here, they come out really nice, and I recommend you try these at home. Now I've managed to load up to 40 kilos onto these either hand whilst doing some pressing and dumbbell work. Here's just a quick video of me doing 36 kilos of each hand. Very, very strong and stable, and I had no problems with them. So I'll probably say they're good for up to at least 50 kilos. Thank you all for watching, and again, please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the videos, and I look forward to bringing you the next one. Take care guys, see you soon.